So how to transfer photos or videos to Android, Samsung to your iPhone? The easiest way is open your picture or anything, suppose this video or these photos, press on this share icon and then you can see the quick share option. Press on quick share and under quick share you can see QR code or link. Press on QR code and link, then it's generating a QR code. And once QR code comes, open your iPhone camera and simply scan this QR code. Then it will load, but for this method you need to internet access. And then you can see your image available here. Just press on download and it will be download on your iPhone. Press on download. Now go to your image, press on download. Now it will be download to your photos. And to save gallery, press on save. Then you can see this photo is available here. This is the easiest way. I will show you the another way to another video. You can check my description. Thank you.